How can I improve my speaking skills for IELTS?
Improving your speaking for IELTS requires consistent practice and preparation. Here are some tips that can help you improve your speaking skills for IELTS. Familiarize yourself with the test format. Before you start preparing, it is essential to understand the test format. You should know how many sections the test has, what types of questions are asked, and how much time is given for each section. Practice speaking regularly. One of the best ways to improve your speaking skills is to practice speaking regularly. You can practice speaking with a friend, a tutor, or even by yourself. Record and listen to yourself speaking. Recording yourself speaking and then listening to the recording can help you identify your mistakes, such as grammar errors or pronunciation issues. You can also use this technique to evaluate how well you are conveying your ideas. Improve your vocabulary. Having a good vocabulary will help you express your ideas more effectively. You can improve your vocabulary by reading and listening to English content, using flashcards, and practicing new words in context. Practice speaking on a range of topics. The speaking section of the IELTS test covers a wide range of topics. Therefore, it is essential to practice speaking on a variety of topics such as current events, personal experiences, and academic subjects. Work on your pronunciation. Good pronunciation is essential for clear communication. You can work on your pronunciation by listening to and repeating English sounds and practicing stress and intonation. Take mock tests. Taking mock tests can help you get familiar with the test format and identify your strengths and weaknesses. You can also get feedback from a tutor or a language exchange partner to improve your performance. Remember, improving your speaking skills for IELTS takes time and effort, but with consistent practice and preparation, you can achieve your desired score.